Hi everybody, this is George. In this episode we are going to learn how to manage users and groups. Before starting, it is recommended to define if your server is going to provide services only or store user home folders as well. If you are planning to create network and mobile user accounts, you first need to grant access to a folder for their home folders. Open the file sharing pane. Click the Add button. Choose the folder and click Choose. This folder will be added to the list in the file sharing pane. Click the folder and then click the Edit button to customize settings for this folder. If you have OS X workstations only in your network, leave the Share over AFP checkbox and deselect Share over SMB. Then select the checkbox Make available for home directories over and choose AFP. Click OK. Start the file sharing service. From now on, you can use this folder to store home folders. Select the Users pane in the sidebar and choose Local Network Users. Now click the Add button to create a new user. Make sure the Type field says Local Network User. Enter user's full name, account name, provide user's password, and verify it. Choose the home folder location, and notice that you can now choose the folder you have previously configured in file sharing. After you click Create, the user will be added to your directory domain and listed in the Server app. To customize users' access to services, right-click the user and choose Edit Access to Services. Select those services that you would like to be available to the user. Make sure the user is authorized to access file sharing if his or her folder is stored at your server. Click OK. In case you need to disable a user, edit the user account and deselect the Allow user to login checkbox. Click OK. To remove a user account, select the account and click the Delete button. To make user management easier, you can define user groups. Each and every user should be in at least one group. That's the reason why a freshly created user is automatically added to a group called Workgroup. This group is created automatically when a new Open Directory domain is set up. With the user selected, click the Action pop-up menu and choose Edit User. Click the Add button in the Groups field and enter the group's name to find and choose it. Press the Delete button to remove a user from a group. Click OK. To create a new group, choose Groups in the list and then Local Network Groups. Click the Add button. Enter full and short names of the group. As you click Create, the group will be added to your Open Directory domain. Select the freshly added group and choose Edit. You can specify mailing lists for the group, give a group a shared folder, or make all of the group members messages bodies. Select Give this group a shared folder checkbox and click OK. In Finder, click Go, Computer, and locate the groups folder you have just created. You'll see a folder with the same name as the group inside the Groups folder. Now switch to the File Sharing pane and confirm a new folder called Groups has been added to the list. The members of the group can now share files using their group folder. To customize Groups' access to services, right-click the group and choose Edit Access to Services. Select those services that should be available to the group and click OK. To remove a group, click the Delete button. To define users the group consists of, open the Edit window. In the Members field, click the Add button to add a user. Enter the user's name and choose the user from the list. Click the Delete button to remove a user from a group. Click OK. Users inherit their rights from groups. Verify groups' access to services. Click OK and switch to the Users pane. Choose any member of the group and check users' access to services. If you click OK, you'll see how the user's access to services is defined by the group's access now. That's all for now. Thank you, and see you later.